Hey, Grow Pops here. Today's question, how often should you change the water in your hydroponic system? The answer, 7 to 14 days. By change the water, I mean completely replace the old nutrient solution with a freshly mixed one, not simply top it off. Now you know that I don't like giving a range. I'd rather give one clear answer you can use. But reservoir volume, plant demand, and system stability genuinely change the answer here. The nutrient line I use recommends a complete change every 7 to 10 days, while University Agricultural Guidance recommends every 2 weeks. That makes 7 to 14 days a practical working range for a home DWC or RDWC grow. Plants don't consume nutrient solution as one fixed recipe. Through selective ion uptake, they absorb water and individual nutrients at different rates. Some ions accumulate while others become depleted, changing the solution's ionic composition. Topping off restores volume, but it does not restore the original nutrient balance. Your EC meter measures electrical conductivity. It gives you a useful estimate of the overall dissolved salt concentration, but not the concentration of each nutrient. Two solutions can have the same EC and very different nutrient profiles. Between changes, monitor water level, pH, and EC. Here's how to choose your interval. Use 7 days when your solution volume is small relative to your plants are drinking heavily, or you're making frequent pH and EC corrections. Before stretching towards 14 days, check 4 things. Is your pH staying predictable? Is your EC following a normal trend? Is the solution free of cloudiness, unusual odors, or slime? And are your roots healthy and your equipment clean? If your system passes all 4 checks, extending the interval may be reasonable. If one starts heading in the wrong direction, change the solution sooner and investigate the cause. Those checks show stability, but they cannot confirm every individual nutrient concentration. That requires laboratory or ion-specific analysis. A complete reservoir change gives you much more predictable starting composition. So if you want one safe default, use 7 days. Stretch towards 14 only when your reservoir remains clean, predictable, and stable. Your reservoir doesn't award bonus points for making it to day 14. Have a question? Drop it in the comments. Everything I use in my grows is linked in my profile. Let's grow.